Did you know that water changes density depending on the temperature? On this video, I will show you how. We need hot water balloons, container full of water, and cold water balloons. I put some ice to make it extra cold. Let's start. Put the balloons on the container. Let's start with the blue color. Now add the red balloons. One by one. And watch. We have some sinking and floating balloons. We can see how hot water balloons float at the top while cold balloons stays at the bottom. And this is how water density works. The hot balloons are floating up while the cold ones are sinking down. The reason for this is that hot water always weighs less than cold water. This density difference has a significant impact on the nature, like the ocean currents. Always, the hot water balloons floats at the top, while cold balloons stays at the bottom. She's trying everything to mix them together. But always, the hot balloons are floating up and cold are staying at the bottom. And that was an amazing hot and cold water experiment.